the video I never wanted to make. Alright, I don't even know where to begin with this. How about we throw in some video and a little bit of chill music and I'll start explaining. We started shooting this about 6 months ago from the current time of making this video. About 2 months after that, my main Google account got compromised, which led to a flurry of other problems. Needless to say, I ended up wiping my main computer, my laptop, and the editing computer. I thought that I had everything backed up properly. However, I guess I missed what was on my phone. So when I ended up formatting my phone to try and stop the data compromise, some of that video went with it. So with that being said, unfortunately the engine removal and the breakdown of the engine got lost. I do, however, have some photos of that process. Deacon and I got all the accessories off of the engine. We then rented an engine hoist and bought an engine stand. I removed the top end of the motor. Both cylinder heads came off, and you can see here that they're both cracked. We then unhooked the transmission and pulled the engine. I completely broke the engine down and started the cleaning process, also ensuring that we were going to be able to reuse the internal parts. Here are the cylinders after honing. You will see some staining in the videos. However, just do note that it is staining only. The wall was fine. And here we have a painted, finished block, ready to be built. If you made it this far, thank you. If you're interested in more of this 4.0 liter OHV rebuild series, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Next video is going to be all about pistons. See you in the next one.